Where can find the banned books at the same time enjoy the tram in journey? Hello, I am Miss Zheng. I am a tourist comes from Chengxing. I will stay in Hong Kong a week. I like reading and enjoy the travel, but I don't know Cantonese and traditional Chinese. Also, I would like to buy some banned books and take the tram. How can I find the banned books in second-hand bookstore? So, today I am going to use the banned book guide. The guidebook will put in the reception area. Wow, it is very easy to get it. There are 4 types of banned books. I want to search community. There are some books in community type. I want this book. Which bookstore can find it? Oh, I can see the bookstore logo. There are 4 bookstores near the tram route. I can follow the logo to find the bookstore. And I can see about information of the bookstore. The name is People Book Cafe and the stop is 17. On the next page, it is timeline and fee about the tram. It can help me to confirm the time and spend the money. I had already to confirm the book in which bookstore, the stop number of tram, the time and the fee. Then I take the shuttle bus from Pok Fu Lam Hostel to Sheung Wan, about 13 minutes. Now I'm in Sheung Wan, the tram terminal just in front of the shuttle bus. It is easy to find. I know the 17th stop is the bookstore that I want to go. When I get off the train, then I am in Percival Street. Now I'm arrived in Percival Street, just 10 minutes. In this page, I can see about the bookstore details. When I arrived at Percival Street, this map is very useful. I can follow the red line to go to the bookstore. Oh, I found the bookstore. That is the nice place. I had also found the books. But I want to remember the books come from this bookstore. How can I do? I can tear the bookmark from the guidebook. The bookmark has some information about the bookstore. When I just take out the book, it can help me to remember the books from which bookstore. Then keep the bookmark in the book. Also, I have seen the other bookmark for different bookstore. Yeah! Finally, I bought this book. The guidebook is very useful because the simplified Chinese make me easy to understand. Today I finished my journey. I'm very enjoyed. Goodbye.